par 3. Made it 8 irons, about 130. So see if I can get it in there. All right, y'all, I think I'm on the green. I hit that well, that felt great. So let's go see if we can get a birdie, at least get a par, because I'd love to get one of those today. All right, normally guys, I wouldn't putt with my glove. I know some of you probably judging me right now. There's just people behind me, so I'm trying to keep the flow. So just leave my glove on because I'm trying to film too. So, all right guys, I got to about 20 feet for a birdie. And hopefully I can, if I can't sink this and I get in there close, sink it for a par. Let's do it. And I pushed it. Beautiful. First par, I'll take it.